Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's restoration, we're going to be working on this TYCO Chattanooga 080 that is in many pieces. We've got actually two tenders to work with. I plan to use one for parts because I looked over the one that's in better shape and it's got a severely messed up wheel. I think it's this one, so we're gonna have to use that one for parts. This one for parts for that one because I can't use this one because the shell's all messed up here. So we're gonna get started. So as some of you might remember, we tested this in the last video, this one, and the smoke unit worked and so did the headlight, so I'm not going to be doing anything to this for now. I do have handrails I might be putting on it later, if they fit. They might be too big, but we'll see. So I'm going to set that off to the side for the moment. You guys can just see it chilling up there. And we're going to get started on our motor. Well folks, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I had a lot of fun restoring this TYCO engine, and be more on the way in the future. Keep on model railroading.